Hello, this is Drew Roberts, and this is my CIS 277 final app. I decided to make a blackjack game. Um, I enjoy this game sometimes, not actually losing money though, so this you don't have to lose actual money. So I guess the target art audience would be those who also enjoy blackjack, or maybe gambling. Um, so yeah, dive into the program. We have uh, the players' cards, dealers, and bet declared, SRAND, operation to keep the cash if you decide to play a game. Here you get your cards with the random, and here we have showing you the cards. These flags, aces, so you can decide right here if you want it to be a 1 or an 11, deciding on what would be beneficial to you. And then we also have a little challenge in the app that if you get up to $10,000, you essentially win, or you lose all your money and go bankrupt. And if you are lucky enough, you can get 21 exactly and get an additional payout. So as you get your first card, you decide if you want to stand or hit. And this is it right here. It just essentially says if you want to get an additional card, you hit, and then you get another random card. And your goal is just to get as close to 21 and to beat the dealer. So here's the dealer's one. He also randomized stuff, and I decided he was always going to hit if it was 16 or lower, just to keep it going. And then finally the results would just compare your player card value and the dealer's, and to see who wins. Then at the end, it asks you if you'd like to play again or stop. So let's run it. Here's your starting cash. My first card is 4. Now we place our bets. Bet 50. And now it's 14. I'm going to hit on that. 17. And I'll stand to see if I win. It was a draw, unfortunately. Then play again. First card's 3. Place a bet of 500. Then we can go hit, and I bust. So I just lost all my cash, and game over. I lost. And then here, see if we can get a win. 10, bet 50, 14, hit that, 1, hit, hit, and lost. Try again. I lost 50. Bet 45. First card 7. Here's an ace. So 7. And then I can choose my second card to be just a 1 or an 11. 11 would be beneficial, so I choose X. And now 18. Stand, and still lost. And that's essentially the game. Let's just get a win real quick, hopefully. 2, second card. Alright, hit. 19, that's pretty good. And we lost again. Try one more time. 55 or 66, 12, hit, lost. Oh no. 89, 15, hit. There we go, that's good. Okay, we won. So, our thing right here, 289. We bet 89. Now as we start, we got added, and that's essentially the game. The biggest challenge for this app was probably debugging, as it's pretty long and it took a long time to find out what the problem was, and sometimes I wouldn't know how to fix it, or what to do. Um, at first, I started with the dealer's card, so that was probably the hardest function. And then as soon as I got that, the players was pretty easy since you kind of just go off that. Um, I actually thought the randomization at the beginning would probably be hard, but it's not really. So that was probably a big success uh, for this. And um, right, anything else to add? Uh, Blackjack is kind of a straightforward game. I think I added just about most everything to the game. But I'm happy how it came out, and it took a while to complete. And I'm happy, so I don't think I'll be adding anything. And yeah, that's this. Thanks for watching, and enjoy.